Hey Alexa, play meditation music. Hey everyone, welcome to my desk organization and vision board for 2020. I'm excited to share with you this video. I had a lot of fun making this one, so I hope you enjoy it. First things first, I need to get this desk cleaned up. It's honestly embarrassing, you guys. This desk is such a mess, and I want to always keep it real with you guys on this channel, so this is the real me. I don't know what happened, but here we are. It needs some serious tender love and care. I am starting by cleaning off the disaster that Kelsey did on my drawers. She took one of my favorite lipsticks and smeared it all over. My fault for not watching her, but that is what I'm dealing with. I'm just taking some cleaner and getting that cleared off. Now I am going through my whole desk and just getting rid of garbage, things that I don't use, trying to sort everything and organize it. It was just a hot mess. While cleaning, I also discovered she used my entire eyeshadow, which is one of my favorites by Chanel. It's called New Moon, so I'm really sad about that. And then my Tom Ford lipstick is destroyed. So for all of you wondering out there, if you want to have kids, word to the wise, put things away. Toddlers are no joke. While cleaning, I also found this incredible book that my mom made me for my birthday this year. She did my whole entire life from 1 to 28, and it's just so special. You guys have no idea how amazing this feels to get everything cleared up and garbage thrown away. It's just such a refreshing feeling. Even editing this right now, it just makes me so happy and satisfied. This picture board is actually from Target, and I still love this one so much. I used it in my previous vision board video, but right now I'm just using it for miscellaneous pictures of me and Kelsey and my little fam. So while I'm cleaning off my desk, I figured I would talk about my makeup organization because this is where I do my makeup generally. I have this clear organizer, which is from Amazon, and it holds a lot of my makeup. I love it so much. I'll leave it linked down below. And also I have this lipstick holder, which holds all my favorite lipsticks, and that is also from Amazon. So if you guys need something like that, definitely check the description box. I've been really enjoying this setup right now. I put my 3 favorite perfumes in the back, and then the acrylic lipstick organizer I keep at the front, and it fits perfectly. For my beauty blenders, I've been keeping them in this cup, and I got this I think from Target a few years back. I believe it's a pencil holder, but it holds the beauty blenders perfectly, so I've been loving that. And then for all of my eyeshadow palettes, I have this paper divider. I think it's something you use for mail or whatever you need to organize. And I put all of my eyeshadow palettes, which work perfectly. I love it so much, and I like that they're just easy to access every day whenever I need one. And then for my makeup brushes, I got this holder from Target, and I like that it's divided into 3 sections so I can keep my face brushes and then all of my cream brushes and then all of my eyeshadow brushes. I just like that it divides it up. And there you have it. My desk is finally cleaned and organized, and now I have a space to work with for my vision board. Now on to the fun part. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my vision board for 2020. I got this wall grid from Target. I was originally going to do a cork board, but this stuck out at me and I thought it would be fun, and I love gold, so it fit perfectly for my room decor. I started on my vision board when Kenzie was tucked away into bed. I really want you guys, if you're doing this, to make sure that this time is about relaxing your mind, really focusing on what you want for 2020. So make sure you don't have any distractions. That way you can really hone in and manifest what you want for this year. Do whatever you need to do to get into a relaxed state of mind. For me, it was putting on cozy socks, putting up my hair, getting a nice cold cup of water, and that did the trick. I started off with my letter board because I wanted to get a new quote up on there. I had taken down the one from Christmas and I was ready for a clean slate. I chose 2020 and so the adventure begins, because that's exactly what this year is going to be, all about adventure and kind of seeing where the world takes me. Earlier in the day, I made a stop at Michael's and got some supplies I needed. I'm using some pens to write down all of my goals. I got stickers for my vision board, different things like that. And the clothespins are actually going to help me pin everything to my board, since it is not a typical cork board. I needed something a little bit different. I ended up picking up this container for all of my letters for the letter board, and it's just going to keep them contained and organized. This was on sale for 50% off, so I think I got it for $8. Now, I think it's really important to put on meditation music, podcasts, whatever helps you get into the right mindset. For me, I've been listening to these guided prayers from my church. They have just been so helpful and amazing for my anxiety. And so if you deal with that, this might be a good thing for you too. I watch a lot of Tony Robbins, and he always stresses the importance of writing things down. And I think writing your goals down in a planner, something that you actually look at every day. So I did just that and sat down, wrote down my goals, and then was able to get started on the vision board. So once you have a clear idea of what you want for 2020, you can go ahead and get your supplies. So you can use anything from pictures to magazines to Pinterest, which is my personal favorite. I think Pinterest is so helpful when making a vision board because it just sparks your ideas. I also love using magazines because certain words can jump out at you. For instance, Make Love Great Again would be awesome for a relationship or marriage. Once you have everything printed or ripped out of the magazine, you could go ahead and start. I will say, if you have carpal tunnel, this probably isn't a great activity for you. My hand was about to fall off. I felt like I was cutting forever. So that's the only downfall of this project. I'm not the best cutter. I swear I can't cut a straight line to save my life. I don't know who needs to hear this today, but try to live every day like Elle Woods after Warner told her she wasn't smart enough for law school. Your words are powerful, and I really believe by writing things down, you can manifest them and bring them into existence. If you believe in God or if you're religious, really being mindful and prayerful of what you want. So I decided to write 3 things down that I really wanted to focus on for this year. And that was my health. It really does matter, and I want to be intentional about it. Family comes first, so I really want to focus on that. And also my anxiety is probably my top, if not the most important to me right now. Now that my hand is cramping after all of that cutting and writing, I was ready to start by compiling everything onto my grid. So the pink clothespins are awesome. They worked super well. I do suggest to have tape on hand because I did use tape for certain areas to connect them together. I also used some rose gold washi tape, which I got from the Target dollar section. That also would work just as well if you don't have Scotch tape.
Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die.
Here is a quick look at my vision board. I put a lot of different inspirational quotes, things that I want to try more this year, which is yoga, being more mindful of my health, dressing more fashionably because mom life got the best of me, different things like that really keep me inspired every day. And that is it, everyone. What do you think? I'm so happy how it turned out, and it's just something to look at every day. Whenever I'm at my desk, I can start manifesting my dreams into reality. If you guys do create your own, please tag me on Instagram, DM me, comment down below. I would love to see it. I wish you all the best year yet. I hope that your dreams do become your reality, and definitely subscribe if you want to stay tuned for more inspirational and motivational content like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.